In the hotel, we are responsible for keeping our team and guests safe, so it is important that we follow certain guidelines. In this video, I will tell you about things that you need to check in your hotel to keep you hotel safe. Hello. My name is Ashok and I am the Chief Security Officer in this hotel. As a security officer, I need your help to keep a watch out for dangerous activities. Before I tell you about what you need to check, if you work in hotels and have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and click the red button below the video to subscribe to the channel. We post videos that help people working in hotels. Also remember to press the bell icon to receive notification when we upload a new video. In this video, I will tell you about the checklist to follow for keeping the hotel safe from fire-related incidents. The hotel is equipped with fire-fighting equipment like extinguishers. It will be mounted on the walls. In case you find any mount empty, report it immediately to your supervisor or manager. If it is not replaced, you may not get to use it in an emergency. Learn how to use the fire extinguisher, fire blanket, and other tools for extinguishing fire. Participate in the fire drills organized by your hotel. All areas in the hotel must have emergency telephone numbers pasted above the telephone. If it is missing, print out the number and stick it. In order to prevent fire, undertake periodic maintenance of high-risk area like the kitchen duct and laundry exhaust. It is advisable to get these cleaned by specialized agencies once every 6 months. Keep the fire exit empty and unobstructed. That is essential in case of an evacuation. This has to be checked daily to ensure the exits are well maintained. Inspect the fire hydrant pumps and secondary pumps monthly, so that it can be repaired if required. Also do a monthly, quarterly and annual check of the automated safety systems like fire alarm panel, hooters and alarms. Avoid clutter in stores and keep things well organized. With these points, your hotel should be well protected from possibility of fire. However, even with all these taken care of, you must be vigilant against fire and be prepared to fight it. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to the channel and visit clarifiedbetter.com for topics that can help you succeed in your hotel career. See you in the next video.